In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a scientific poster using Canva vertical bar research papers. Start by opening Canva and clicking Create a Design. Right away, set your canvas to the correct size. Choose Custom Size and switch the units to centimeters, so everything stays consistent. Enter the dimensions specified by your conference or department. Many events use 42 by 59, 4 centimeters, so make sure your poster matches the required footprint. With your canvas ready, head to the template search bar and type research poster, academic poster, or scientific poster. Browse for a clean professional layout that fits your content. If your study has a lot of complex data and unique figures, consider starting from a blank template instead. It's often easier to customize from scratch than to force your work into a busy layout. Next, structure your content using clear sections, title, and authors at the top, followed by introduction or background. Methodology, results with graphs and tables, discussion or conclusion, and finally references and acknowledgements. Use the Elements tab to add rectangles and create columns and section headers. Keep your spacing generous. White space improves readability and helps viewers follow your story at a glance. For visuals, go to Apps and open Charts. Build bar charts, line graphs, or pie charts directly in Canva. You can enter numbers manually or upload a CSV if you've already organized your data. If you've prepared high-resolution plots in another program, import them through the Uploads tab so they stay sharp at print size. Choose fonts that are professional and easy to read. Sans serif families like Open Sans or Arial work well. Make your title large, roughly 72 to 100 points or more depending on the poster size. Set section headers around 60 points and keep body text at least 24 to 32 points so it's legible from a distance. Stick to a restrained color palette that supports, rather than distracts from, your message. Avoid dark backgrounds, they're harder to read and can consume a lot of ink when printed. When everything looks polished, download your file as PDF print. This preserves crisp text and vector graphics for high-quality output, ensuring all text and graphics are crisp. For printing, you can order directly through Canva Print or take the PDF to a local print shop that handles large format posters. That's the process from start to finish. Follow these steps, and you'll have a professional scientific poster ready for your next conference. Thanks for watching.